The town of Morón is located in the northern part of the province of Ciego de Avila in central Cuba, and while it may not be as well known as some of the country's larger cities, it is nevertheless a vital hub of economic and cultural activity. To understand why Morón is so important to Cuba, we must first look at its history. The town was founded in 1543 and has been a center of agriculture and commerce for centuries. In the early 20th century, the town began to flourish thanks to the construction of the Central Highway, which linked it to other important cities in the country. In terms of culture, Morón is known for its rich Afro-Cuban heritage. The town is home to several important cultural institutions, including the Casa de la Cultura, which hosts a variety of events and performances throughout the year. The town is also famous for its carnival, which takes place every year in February and is a celebration of African and Cuban culture. Economically, Morón is important for its